It's like days in a crazy love that come with me ako. Parehas kami, hindi namin alam ang lyrics. Ano lang, opalite na lang. Yes, my mama, tayo dyan, please, marumi. Opalite na lang, opalite.
Oh my God, never seen you before. Never feel me.
Oh, Mini. Dito po tayo ngayon sa train station. Punta tayo sa saan pa man. Doon sa sushi. Kay napanaginipan ko na siya kagabi kung saan tayo kumain yung fatty tuna. Balikan natin habang nandito pa tayo sa Osaka. Ano sige? Gusto niya magpupop daw ako pag magbaba siya. Ano man ito? Okay na?
Yes, but it's okay that more. More.
Okay na?
Now upstairs.
This is? How about you do it? You do it, baby. You do it.
You
One, two.
do it.
Okay. Nagluloko ako ng anak ko, guys. Okay na? Ah! Dito na po tayo sa Dotonbori, mag-dinner lang. Tapos bilhan natin ng ano niya, si Derich ng kanyang luho niya. Tapos ihatid natin sila sa hotel mamaya. Baka may kakita po ako, pero hindi pa sure. Ang ano ko ba, college friend ko. Pero syempre, siguraduhin ko muna na makakain ang anak ko, no? Tapos ano siya doon, makatulog siyang maayos. Japan! Si Derich daw, bigyan ko lang daw siya ng mapa na papel. Hindi daw siya mawala dito, guys, sa Japan. Rich, pag naging pilot ka na, Rich, Louis Vuitton lang akin, Rich, ha? Bantay bitaw. Ikaw, pag nag-graduate ka na, what do you want to be? When you grow up, you want to be
a pilot, right?
a pilot or a police or a doctor? Huh? A police? You want to be a police? We are back! You want to try with Papa? It's crispy what Papa has. Crispy salmon. Wala na, okay na ako. Hindi ko na siya panaginipan ng isang taon. Kay grabe ang nakain ko, guys. Busog masyado. Ito na naman na. Ha? 9 minutes walk?
Unahan man gud ng Adidas.
Na. 15 minutes walk papunta doon sa ano niya, luho niya din. Ito mga papugi-pugi lang luho nito, guys. Pantalon, sapatos, bagong sapatos, Dabe. Dito pala tatay ko. Look at that. Look. Look there, look.
Look, oy.
Look, that's my...
Look, oy. Look there.
Pagod na siya. Pagod. Kaya inarte na siya, guys. Pagod na yan. Hindi yan natulog sa hapon. Akala niya kasi galit ako na ganun ako. Proud masyado ako sa kanila, guys. Hindi yan sila nilalamig. Tingnan niyo. As in. Ganyan ang mga... anuhan ng mga bata dito, mga dalaga. Tintinidor. Now, can you do what the... Bebe,
Anado.
how is the face of the man there? Can you do it? Ikaw na, be?
No, I don't know.
Si Papa, si Papa. Si Nathan. Si Kuya, si Kuya. Ay, ang new era. Dali na, papunta na ba tayo? New era. 1, 2. Anong alay si hotel. Ano yan? Ano bang daog-daog sa guys? Sa Tagalog. Ay, inaapi naman yan, ma. Tara na, punta na natin ang mga luho nila, guys. Ay, baka mag-iyak sila. Sabi ka, busog. Uy, parang alam yung... Parang hindi ako kakain yan. Siguro mga 2 days. Tapos mag-sushi na naman tayo. May Ferris wheel pala sila dito, guys. Ayun, oh. Ferris wheel pala yan. Malapit na yan dito ang kanya. Saan na, Rich? Malayo pa? Hindi normal itong shopping street nila dito, guys. Parang kanina pa man kami naglalakad, hindi pa rin matapos-tapos itong area na ito. Walang katapusan ba? New era. Era. Ano ba yan? Pili agad. 10-second challenge.
Are you going up or am I going up?
Saan? Dahil na, bilis. Kainit. Alam mo bakit ganyan ngayon? Uy, Diyos ko, kainit-init sa Pilipinas. Guys, hindi normal. Ang gusto niya, yung pang negative 50 degrees. Grabe kainit. As in. Oo. Super init. Guys. Ay na lang. Kahit mag-iyak siguro siya, hindi ko bilihin yun. Kaya alam ko na isang beses niya lang suotin or half day lang. Kaya sobrang mahal. What can you say about the pajama that you want?
Yeah, I saw it. I said it's super nice in the Netherlands.
No. Anong gusto mo? Iba na lang, Rich.
Yun na lang gano'n, iba na lang.
Kung iba, meron doon iba. Puti pa dyan siya. Because you know why they're selling like that now? Because it's winter here. And he wants to use that
Cold here.
in the Philippines, mahal. I told them, even if he cries, I will not buy that. Because you know why? He will not wear that. It's super hot. Only one time, I think. Sus, kung makita nyo. Sige, bash nyo ako. Pero kung makita nyo lang, guys, kung gaano siya kakapal. Winter pajama nga. Winter pajama. Pagkakita sa akin ni Daniel, kaya pa, why does he like a pajama like that? Ayaw ko magsayang ng pera. Tapos siguro 5 minutes niya lang suotin. May ganyan kasi ako na tela. Oo. May ganyan po ako na tela yung gusto niya ngayon. Kaya alam ko kung anong feeling na kainit-init. Bumalik sila doon sa taas ng Nike, guys. Pabilihin na natin siya. Pang winter din pero mas manipis lang ng konti doon sa pinili niya. Kaya meron daw, marami daw nagsusuot ng ganyan sa Pilipinas. Nabihan na ba yan si ni Mamang na wala kang mabili na damit doon kay pang winter ang mga damit. Sige lang, siya man ang magsuot. Pero yun yung nandun sa new era, hindi ko talaga bilhin yun. Kay doble ang kapat, triple pa siguro, guys. Smile na, oh. Smile na. Ha?
Hindi na tayo mag-uwi Pilipinas.
Only 8,000 this one.
Doon ka, ipakita mo, ganyan mo kung akasya ba. He tried it on?
Yes.
Sige daw. Kaya hindi na mabalik yan, ha? Kung sa Japan ba tayo. Pwede yan, dali. Pwede ka pa magdamit pa. Bukas na naman. Sa Tokyo na naman. Ano ba yan? Puro na lang Osaka. Sa Tokyo maraming shoppingan. Sinabihan ko siya, pwede pa siya makabili ng damit.
And then let me guess. You want to go out without me so you can speak Bisaya.
Yes, of course, as always.
So you will go drinking in Japan.
Yeah. No, you can go with us, mahal.
Yeah?
It's fine. It's just me and her. So you can go if you want. Lang yung doon sa reunion, naalala nyo, nag-reunion po ako sa Pilipinas, hindi ko siya sinama. Ay, kadami-dami namin
It's,
tapos.
Mahal, it's okay. You can go
Ano?
drink alone. I'll also go drink alone.
Oh, you Oy, live location ha.
Live.
Not sure ha, maybe we'll go to the maid restaurant ha. Ano
I
sila?
just saw that now. The main restaurant. I don't even want to go there. Super boring.
So you've been there?
I've seen it. I showed you, right? I said here, that's the main restaurant.
Calvin Klein ang brief. Sa New Era, kahit mag-iyak ka ng nana ng dugo, hindi ko yung biling sa'yo kainit-init. Sa Pilipinas, wala
Pilipinas,
daw.
bisa ng sao ni mo.
Tagalog kay Kapoy
Walang
Translate.
paki ang mga tao kung init or hindi.
Yan lang. Balik na tayo. Haba-haba na naman itong lakarin natin. Ganda. Smile. Gusto ko maligo kaya amoy ako isda, guys. Hiya din sa taga-Osaka natin na friend. Ano po yun siya dito? Caregiver. Dito na siya nagtrabaho. Pero parehas kami, IT, dati nung college kami. Masaya na yan si Derich, guys. Anong oras naman? Mag-alas 8 na. Iwan natin si Nathan sa kanya. Tulog man yan. Tapos magkanya-kanya po kami ni Daniel. Did I clean? Oh, yeah.
So,
It's clean.
now.
Grabe ang toilet dito, guys. Hindi ako makaayos ng uo. Kay matigil siya dahil sa toilet seat na pagkainit. Look what I saw. You got a new one again.
Wait, this one for sure.
Wait lang. Yes, this is for now. And now, we will prepare. You will sleep. Okay? Kay magbiga ang mama mo.
Biga.
What is biga? Guys, I got this one. Sleeper.
And
What else? Do you have a new toothbrush? Tell them what's the taste of the toothpaste here. What's the taste?
orange.
Orange toothpaste? Yes. And that's all? Yeah, strawberry and orange, she said.
One.
Still one. Oh, yeah. This one is for the?
Taking shower.
Very good. Panggala natin, oh. Meron tayong 20,000 yen. Pero, yung kaibigan ko, yung kakita sana natin, wala na, matulog na daw siya. Hindi na siya nakapaghintay kaya meron din po daw siyang duty bukas. Importante, napatulog na natin si Nathan. Ang mister ko, na siya, doon din sa luho niya. Hindi na kami sumama. Ngayon, puntahan na talaga natin yung Shinsekai. Kasi bukas pa Tokyo na po kami. Kaya ko na lang ang mister ko na sake date po kami. No? Magkita kami doon sa Shinsekai, guys. Basta may Google Maps ka lang, okay na ang lahat. Ayan, 15 minutes walking. Doon tayo kasi balita ko ha, sabi ng Google, maganda daw doon sa Shinsekai, guys. Hindi siya ganito. Doon is very retro vibes. Mahal. I'm going to the Shinsekai now.
But I'm at the hotel right now. I'm bringing this upstairs
Oh,
first.
okay then. I'll wait you. Ito na tayo maghintay. Shinsekai is a vibrant retro district in Osaka, Japan. Famous for its nostalgic atmosphere, iconic Chutenkaku Tower, and delicious street food like kushikatsu, deep fried skewers, offering a unique glimpse into old Osaka with a mix of post-war charm and modern entertainment. Developed in 1912. It was modeled after Paris and New York. Tulog na ang anak namin. Niligo ko na siya. Niligo ko siya, nilosyonan, pinatulog. Sarap, patulog niya ngayon. Ano yung itsura, parang uyanggurin. Di ba guys, mga tao sa bahay, parang yanggurin pa pero malamig.
Are you sending us to a hotel where you pay by the hour?
Yeah, let's go there. Nice. Sa ano na oy, Netherlands na oy, cannot wait anymore. Cannot wait.
Netherlands?
Yeah.
You know, we already did not eat for a long time and they want me to wait another long time before we even do anything? Bastos.
Mga taga Davao. Tingnan niyo para akong nasa sa ano na ito siya banda. Hindi sa Uyanggurin, para siyang San Pedro. Going there later, mahal, before we go home because there is one's breakfast. Is that the the tuna mayo onigiri. Nag-request na 2 daw. Like that. Hello. Yeah. Mga ano ang binibenta nila, mga comics guys na ano ba? Mga comics at saka DVD na mga bold. Look. 9:30 na ata eh. Diyan ata yan. Oh, Shinsekai yan ha. Wala mang retro. Osaka Shinsekai. Saan na yung ano nila dyan? Pinagmamalaking tower at mga retro vibes dyan. Wow, that's the tower. Wow.
Going to go in there?
Where?
In the tower?
No, we're not going there. We're just walking here. Can you take a picture of me, my love? Gutom kayo, guys. Eat all you can, oh. Are you hungry?
No. I'm not hungry.
Ay, ano man, uy. Close naman.
So, you want to go back now?
No, let's see because I have something for you here. Alam niyo anong tanong niya? Kung gusto ko ba daw uminom sa Osaka Ebisu Hotel. Gusto na talaga akong i-hotel ng mister ko, guys. In fairness. Mahal? You want to hotel me?
Of course.
Ay, there. What is that? What is that? Nabi, all the oyster in the world? Is that oyster?
I don't see any oyster.
No, but I think they have sake there. We're doing a sake date. You want noodles, guys? Like, you want noodles? Wala nang tao. Anong oras na ba? 9:30 pa man. My husband is right. It's not Tokyo, it's Osaka. But I was looking for the arcade. Super big arcade daw.
Okay, and then, where is it?
That's what I want to know.
Because I can search for it.
Yeah, the Shinsekai arcade. Wala man. Ay, there. Here, mahal. Here is the... My love, come here. There. See? You go there. I found the retro vibes. Retro vibes is here. Look at that. Oo, meron siya pa rin. Wow, I love this! Osaka, Japan. You're so judgmental po, uy. Huh? Look, retro vibes. Let's explore Shinsekai. What's in here? Wow. Look at that, guys. So this is the retro vibes. This is it, pancit. You catch your own fish? Do they have oyster? I will catch everything. Naghanap ako ng oyster, guys. So this is it, the Shinsekai. Mga sexy. Yeah. This is old fashion thing, mahal. Like old vibe of the what is Japan. Ganda, uy. I love it here. You like it too? Nagustuhan din daw ni Daniel. I want to see until there, mahal, and then we go back. You are in Osaka. Grabe kayo. All the fries in the world. Wow. Let's have a look? Okay. So yun daw makita sa loob. Ito mga inumana nila, guys. Oh. Ang ganyan. May pasilupin ba? Ano yung benta niya dyan? Parang Pinoy pa yung nagbibenta, oh. Ay, I love it here, mahal. Look. So retro, oh my gosh. We love it. Very nice. Wow. We can have a drink there, wherever it is. Here also. See, they're drinking. But I want to see what they have. That sweet egg, man. Just look, guys, how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. We almost went home, ha? We almost went home, baya. Then I did not see this if we went home, pag sure. Yung tayo ng mga takoyaki, oh. Picture B. Want burger? They have burger. Look, guys. Yan yun. You want that? This one naman. Yan lang maganda dito ba? Kaya may picture talaga may paganyan sila ba? Pa-model ng pagkain nila. Ow. Ganda! My gosh. Japan. Japan. I love you. When are we going back here, guys? Huh? Nakaka-addict. Bakit man yan ganyan? May pugi pa sa taas, oh. Yeah. That's what I read, mahal, that they are known for, what is that? Fried stuffs. Puro fried sila dito nga. Diba? Nabasa natin kanina. Yung mga ganyan ba ang benta nila, guys? Yan. Dito na side. Look at the place and the tower there. The best view. Wow. That is what they're known for. Fried stuffs. Ikut-ikutin ko natin anong makain dito, eh. Nagsarado na sila, oh. My love! There's arcades here. Gusto ko yung masarap ang pulutan natin. Now, let's go there. Yeah, they're closing. Gusto ko yung magsaki tayo. Masarap, pinapulutan. Hindi kay puro mantika. Dito na nga, oy. Sa mga prito-prito na nga, oy. Ay, this one. They have barbecue. This one. Hindi pala. Fried din siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Ano yun? Fried. Ay, wings. Meron na silang palibre. Guys, look at that. No egg. I have egg allergy. Simula na tayo magpa-translate nito.
Bacon?
Ito. Beef miso, everyone. Maliit lang siya. Look at that. Pangpulutan talaga. Nag-order ako ng sake. Si Daniel naman.
What I don't understand is why can this come here soon but the drinks not?
Yummy.
Sake first?
Yeah, let's share sake. Tingnan yung beer ni Daniel. Sake, everyone. Ang kay Daniel, tingnan nyo. 1 liter beer. Hindi normal.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers, my love. Sake in Japan.
Yes.
It's different.
No egg?
egg? No. Okay, let's order.
Okay, so we can order this.
May service charge po siya. Every person is 320.
Euros.
360 yan. May service charge. So, dalawa kami, mga 720 yan. Okay ha? That's super big beer, Mile. Sinend niya ng picture si Itay kaya nag-message na sabi ko, Tay, nag-date kami ni Daniel. It's different when you are in Japan. Very soft radish.
No,
Look
maybe
at
they
that.
meant no, don't buy it
Yeah.
first.
Kunti lang muna.
That's not a tiny bite.
It's yummy, mahal.
It's
Good ah.
no?
Good ah. Masarap siya, in fairness. Yung egg. I love the butter. Grabe kasarap, guys. Promise. Wala siya itlog.
But what do you call this again in Visaya
What?
or in Tagalog? The food with your drink?
Pulutan.
Pulutan, yes. Asian pulutan Also, Filipino pulutan is much better than Dutch pulutan.
Yeah, because
But the beer in the Netherlands is much better.
it's raining in Osaka, everyone. You eat it like now. It's not peeling. Show you how to eat it, ha? Kasing natipsi ng inday niyo. Yun. Small one. Dali na.
Your mouth is still full. Your mouth is still full.
Dali na. So?
With all the poop still inside.
Someone...
In the app it said 4224, but in the when they charged me was 4314. So it's almost 100 more expensive than what the app
That's
said.
fine. We had fun. Yan guys, yan. Let's go hotel mahal.
But which hotel? The hotel that children are or a different hotel?
Different hotel. Huy, dahil na ba? Shh. Huy,
What hotel are we going?
different hotel.
Yeah, where?
1 hour.
I don't know if they have
Quickie,
1 hour
just
hotel.
quickie.
Yeah, sure, of course. But if they have that, I don't know. Where do they have that?
Seryoso masyado dyan.
Oh, look,
Hala!
Love Hotel Japan.
Sige na. You look mahal. Sige na mahal, because we're so hot mahal. Joke. Pero kung meron, bakit hindi, God? Bakit hindi? Sayang ang mga palaser natin. Seryoso masyado nang ganap. Nangangailangan na talaga ito. Kaya matagal-tagal na din. So, you found? Let's go, ikay makapiright. Let's go. We will copyright there, mahal. Ano masasabi? You got? What's the name?
Little Chapo Coconuts.
Huh? Little shop.
Little Chapo Coconuts. Look, like this.
Grabe po, ano eh. Let's show them. In Netherlands na, uy. You want more? Uy, bastos.
Netherlands.
You really want now? Cannot wait anymore. Man, cannot wait anymore. You want me so much, Jude? Kidding lang, uy. Pero kaganda talaga ng ano, ng Shinsekai, guys. As in, I love it. Ganda siya. Very ano siya ba? Old vibe. Ang takoyaki, yan talaga ang makaiyak ba na bakit hindi ko yan makain? Puro itlog. Yan, Ang gusto kong itry yung sa Ueno sana. Mahal. Bye-bye Shinsekai. Thank you for the very nice view. Oh? See that? Look mahal, because you're the only people there. You're the only person. People. Nice view, guys. Here, my love.
You know, this is all I'm wearing, not the coat.
Oh, you did not wear your
No,
vest?
because I was very hot, because I worked a lot.
Let's get the tuna mayo. You want ice cream? Takot ako magkain ng ice cream nila kay yung huli, puro itlog. Ito ang gusto ni The Rich ay, where is that? Tuna mayo. Ayan, dalawa daw kanya. Ay nata naman. Patry natin siya nito. At saka grapes. Tay, gusto mo, Tay? Yung whiskey ba? Ina-plastic. Hello, plastic bottle whiskey. Let's get that for Arnold, mahal. Whiskey sa plastic bottle. First time
If you
ko.
are older than 18.
First time ko, guys, nakakita. It's my first time to see whiskey.
I have never seen alcohol in a plastic bottle. Never.
It looks like oil.
It looks like oil.
Tay, iyo talaga to, Tay. Ito talaga ang
But he likes. Arnold likes this a lot.
Yeah. Isang inuman, isang upuan. This is one seat for Arnold, mahal.
This is one Suntory whiskey oil.
Yeah.
But you know, to be honest, I'm happy it's just you and me going.
Yeah.
Because I don't think we would have had as much fun with the children.
Yeah. Let's do it again in Tokyo, mahal.
Of course.
Huh? Our date night. And now we go to the hotel, ha?
What hotel? The
Ano?
hotel where the children are.
And so, you cannot wait anymore. Why can?
Ah. I already did not igot you in the Philippines, mahal. Cannot wait anymore, cannot wait anymore.
Because you
You
did
know
not...
what blue balls are? Huh? Huh?
Ala, blue balls. Blue balls. You know what blue balls are? What was that? I wanted to say something. I'm tipsy. Are you tipsy, mahal?
Just a little. I
Just a
didn't
little.
have much to drink. Only one beer.
Yeah, only 1 liter. But look, it's not anymore moving. Look at that. Going home now. We're here. Doesn't care in the rain.
Philippines, last time we were here.
Wala, it's super raining, my love. Hindi makamove on. So guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ating vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hoy, this is our hotel, ha. This is not a love hotel. You want proof? You want proof?
This is the hotel where I get blue balls.
Blue balls.